Frederick Douglass said that I prayed for 20 years and received no answer until I prayed with my legs. This man was an escaped slave who taught himself to read and write, became such a great orator that he was able to actually speak to high-level politicians on women's rights. He was an abolitionist. Freedom is not given, it is taken. Success is not given, it is taken. That's why if I go to an organization and they treat me different, if I don't feel like I'm getting what I am worth, I leave, because I believe that freedom is not given by anyone. It's not theirs to give. You have to take it. So this is not my attitude for anywhere I go. My goal is to become successful. Frederick Douglass didn't wait around for people to give him freedom, to give him success. He went out and got it. And that's the attitude that we have to have. Is there racism in cybersecurity, in IT? Absolutely. Is there classism? Is there a caste system? Yeah, it's everything that you can imagine that's bad with humanity. You'll find it in every industry. But that doesn't mean that you can't be successful. And this field absolutely needs people. If you're not treated right, you can go somewhere else. There's plenty of opportunities. That's what I've done. That's just me.